Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeon as well. Homing pigeon has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generate egg, source, nest, and mate. How about the round of applause for our Dominicates and our homing pigeon? We believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of friends in the sea, but for also who are in land there as well. Now, who knows the tree arts? They produce trees and recycle very good. So here's our lovely bird once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal.
By the way, I'm Trainer Rochelle, and I'd like you to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have, and he is the handsome one. Confident, his name is Vincent. Together with trainer David, say hi. And on the other side is one of the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here, and that's maker Dusty Martinez. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Yenny. Oh, trainer Jamie. Yenny's stopping you. What does she want? She's shocking for herself. Can I continue now? Okay. As I was saying, here at Manila Ocean Park, Boy, she's stopping you again. Maybe she wants to say something. Come on, Yenny. Uh-huh. What did you say? She said we are not yet done, and why? Oh, there's one more missing object. Are you sure about that, Yenny? Okay, let us Vincent. Boys,
So
there
ayan
more.
guys, nandito kami ngayon
No more?
ng show ng isang selayon. Nandito kami ngayon.
Okay, let's ask the audience to be fair. Hey guys, there one more missing object? Are you sure? Oh no, you made Vincent so sad. Lagot kayo. Yenny,
Nagtago.
if there's one more missing object, would you please tell Vincent what that is? It's a... gun. Are you right, Yenny? Well, I think it's a mission for us to search that missing toy gun. Let's go! Vámonos! It's a mission impossible. Come on, guys, let's go! Ooh. Is it there? Come on, let's rush to our trainers. Keep on searching. Keep on crawling. Come on, guys, let's find that missing toy gun. Where is that toy gun could be? Okay, let's ask them. So, trainers, still on friends? Any sign of it yet? Still nothing. Come on, guys, what are we doing? Keep on looking. As we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Come on, Yenny, let's do that. Boogie, boogie, shake, shake, shake. Focus and bounce, bounce, bounce. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake this booty. Keep on rolling. All right, Yenny. Show them what you got. People on the crowd, ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady. Come on, let's go! Yeah! Around the town for Vincent and Yenny. And for the trainers as well, that acquaintance number. Looks sweet. Thank you so much, Vincent, Yenny, and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Yeti. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, cannot survive in a classical environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival, all
Ayan na, lalapit na sila dito.
such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean art. Always keep in mind we're the steward of our planet and us. Each one of us must do what we can to protect and preserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer David, Ian and Junior JB, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for listening us today. We hope you'll enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care, have a nice day. Sige ka na our sales friends, bye!
Bye!
And by the way guys, if you guys want more photos with our slanted birds, please approach our photographer over there at the exit area. Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Here to be flying underwater from place to place, right guys? And you know, they often
Roma.
mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a seal mine is the fact that they have bigger front flippers.
Hi!
And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. Come on, round of applause for Vincent and Yeti. And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for Silver friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Nice smile. Hey! They can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from rainwater. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Sure, strong from diggers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movements of their front flippers.
So ayan guys, na tapos na yung show ng Sea Lion. Mamaya pupunta kami kung saan namin pupunta. Ha?
Manila to.
Pupunta daw kami ng Manila. So susulitin namin hanggang maghapon. So ayan, natulog yung isa. Nalulubat na ako, wala akong dalang power bank. So baka na lang yung mga makukuhanan ko doon sa pupunta namin. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Mega love shout out. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share. Press the button and press the notification. Ayan. Pauwi na kami guys. Lalabas na kami. Tapos na ang show ng Sea Lion. So, bye-bye guys.
Totoo naman.
So, ayan guys. Pauwi na kami. Di ko alam kung saan kami. Kaya, ayun. Bye-bye all. Ayan. Sabi nila, thank you for visiting. So, ayan. Thank you. Bye. See you next